Welcome back. A quick reminder, if you absolutely have to be out on the roads this weekend, TxDOT is urging drivers to check current road conditions on the Drive Texas website. You can find that link at the bottom of your screen. Well, tens of millions of Americans are bracing with us for a winter wallop starting today in some parts of the country and continuing through the weekend.
Now, there are some preparations you can take at home right now. Nicole Valdez explains.
If you're hunkering down this weekend, do a little homework first.
The part that causes the most damage to a house is going to be a busted water pipe.
Nashville Home Inspector Lane Rockensock knows just how much damage snow and ice can do, especially in the south.
We don't build houses for 10 inches worth of snow.
Rockensock recommends clearing the snow off your roof and cleaning your gutters so when the ice melts, it drains away from your home. And to prevent a burst pipe, keep your faucets dripping inside and outside. Keep them covered to avoid a pricey water leak.
How much money could people have to shell out if this happens to them?
It's thousands. It could be tens of thousands.
Damage you may not even see until it's too late.
This is where you can get water damage, mold, mildew growth.
City officials here say the key is planning ahead.
What should people be thinking about and doing right now?
Right now, they should be preparing for a long weekend. Make it where you don't need to be out on the roadway.
Of course, another major issue we could see with this winter storm are power outages. In some cases, they could last days. If you do lose power, don't try using one of those propane heaters or generators inside your home because inhaling those fumes can be deadly. Nicole Valdez, CBS News, Nashville.
All good advice there. And by the way, Dallas is expected to be the first major U.S. city impacted today with severe ice. We'll be right back after this break.